Hi, this is test 18E number 64, and we're given a circle and a square. We're also given the hatched area of 880, and they're asking us to find the radius. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write an equation where we can utilize the hatched area being 880. So the hatched area is the area of the circle minus the area of the square. So we'll write an equation using that. Hatched area equals area of the circle minus the area of the square. And the next step, we'll go ahead and substitute. The hatched area is 880. The area of the circles, since we're wanting to find what the radius is, we'll write everything in terms of r. The area of a circle is pi r squared. And the area of the square is going to be whatever the side is squared. However, we need to know what the side is in terms of r. So to do that, we're going to draw in a diagonal. And in drawing in a diagonal, we have formed a 45, 45, and 90 triangle. Okay, so from here to here is a radius. Also, the other part is another radius. So the hypotenuse is 2r. So as a refresher, whenever you have a 45, 45 triangle, if you know the hypotenuse, to work back to the leg, you're going to have to take what the hypotenuse is, and you're going to divide by the square root of 2. So since the whole hypotenuse is 2r, the leg is going to be 2r divided by square roots of 2. And that is going to be the side length of the square. We'll go ahead and substitute that in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go and take this equation, we're going to substitute it into the TI Nspire and solve for r, and we will be done with the problem. This r is the same as this r. Okay, so you type in the equation that we just got. Go ahead and press menu 3-1, and we're going to solve this one for x, and we get that x is 27.8. So here we have that r is equal to 27.8, and that's exactly what they asked us to find. So our final answer is 27.8. So in this particular problem, as a review, we use the hatched area using the area of a circle minus the area of a square. We utilize the 45, 45, 90 triangle properties. So whenever you have a square, chances are you're going to be using the properties of a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Be on the lookout for that, and that'll make you much more successful on these problems.